Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the resolution scale of our Blender. So at first we need to open Blender. Once the Blender application is open, we just need to come this edit menu. I'm going to click here and it will be expanded. From here we have to go preferences. Once we click preferences, the preferences window will be open. From here we have to click the interface and then right side you will find display and there is a resolution scale. By default the resolution will be 1, so to make it a bigger resolution, basically we can change it from here. We can double click and it will be like this type of text format, and then over here we can type like 1.5 and then you'll see everything will be changed here and it will be easy to read everything, and that's why I'm going to show you how to increase this thing, and then press the enter key of your keyboard and you will see everything will be increased. So now it's easy to read and to navigate. So that's it guys. Once you have done this thing, now we need to save it. We need to press this 3 hamburger icon and then it will bring like this, and then we have to press this save preferences, this option. I'm going to click here and it will be saved. Now we can close it. Now our Blender is ready to use. So in this way we can easily increase or decrease the resolution of our Blender. Thank you guys for watching the video.